Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. We will be drawing a winner today for this yarn. All of this yarn. All right, let's see who won. Okay then guys, let's draw a winner. Actually, before that, whoever wins, please email me. My email is in the description box below. And send me your mailing address. You have 5 days to contact me. And yeah, I wish everyone the best. Let's do it. The winner is Lana Hughes. Pretty. I hope to relax and crochet this weekend. Yes, that was the word, relax. Congratulations.